Welcome to the Right Button channel. Now I will show and tell you how to find downloaded files on Android phone. It is very simple and will take no more than 20 seconds. Let's get started. We need to find a folder called File Manager. Here it is. This is where all the photos, videos, audio, and documents from your phone are stored. If we scroll down, we can see the most recent files. At the very top of the screen, you'll see an icon. Click on it. Scroll down and find Downloads. And that's what we're looking for. You can easily delete any file from here. If this video was helpful, you can like and subscribe. Have a good day.